Python programming quiz question. Number 1. Who developed Python programming language? Python language is designed by a Dutch programmer, Guido van Rossum, in the Netherlands. Number 2. Which type of programming does Python support? Python is an interpreted programming language which supports object-oriented, structured, and functional programming. Number 3. Is Python case-sensitive when dealing with identifiers? Case is always significant while dealing with identifiers in Python. Number 4. Which of the following is the correct extension of the Python file? .py is the correct extension of the Python file. Python programs can be written in any text editor. To save these programs, we need to save in files with file extension .py. Number 5. Is Python code compiled or interpreted? Many languages have been implemented using both compilers and interpreters, including C, Pascal, and Python. Number 6. All keywords in Python are in. Most keywords are in lowercase, but some like true, false, and none are capitalized. Number 7. What will be the value of the following Python expression? So the expression is evaluated as 4 plus open parenthesis, 3%, 5, close parenthesis, which is 4 plus 3 equals 7. Number 8. Which of the following is used to define a block of code in Python language? In Python, to define a block of code, we use indentation. Indentation refers to white spaces at the beginning of the line. Number 9. Which keyword is used for function in Python language? The def keyword is used to create or define a function in Python. Number 10. Which of the following character is used to give single-line comments in Python? To write single-line comments in Python, use the hash character, hash, at the beginning of the line. It is also called number sign or pound sign. To write multi-line comments, close the text between triple quotes.